This review is of Meijer Ultra Soft Toilet Paper, and this is a two-ply sheet. It's got 286 sheets per roll. The sheets are 4 inches by 4 inches, and there's a total of 190.7 square feet on the roll. Now, you may think, only 286? When you did Angel Soft, it had over 450 on the roll. Yes, that's true, but you have to remember that there's something that they're not measuring here, and that involves the thickness of the sheets. So if you were to actually compare this to, say, Angel Soft, you would find that, I can demonstrate it to you in a different kind of way. You would find that this roll has a lot on it. So here I've got the Angel Soft, and I'm not even going to bother to unwrap it. I'm just going to show you that if you take it and you compare it, even though this has only got 286 sheets, and this one has 450 sheets, it's exactly 449 now because of my review of it. Still, this is a bigger roll because each sheet is thicker. And it may also have something to do with how they roll this onto the cardboard roll. But either way, this has got a lot more to it. And you feel it when you use this product. But we're going to, before we start talking about that, I'm going to take a piece off of this roll. I don't need the whole roll anymore. So, as you can see, it's got 2 plies. You can even see them very easily. Yeah? And it's got a little bit of embossing. The embossing isn't terribly important. It does help them to stick together, but obviously not perfectly. Now, it's a little bit harder to rip than the Angel Soft, but not much of a difference, honestly. Right now, I'm going to use my ½ teaspoon, and I'm going to put this in here and see how much it absorbs. Ooh. Wow. Okay. I was not sure how much to expect. Oh, wow. That is significantly more than Angel Soft. Now, Angel Soft was about 1/3 of the way down from the top of the rim. This one, I don't know how well you can see that, but this one is like 2/3 of the way down. So I'm going to just, look at that. Holy Moses. I'm surprised. I didn't expect that much. So it's like, obviously the volume at the bottom is smaller than the volume at the top. So you can see that the amount, in terms of distance from the rim to the surface of the water, is like double that of Angel Soft. But that means it's way more than double in terms of actual volume. So Angel Soft just got butt kicked by Meijer brand. I don't know who makes Meijer brand, but they did a good job. But, does that matter? I mean, if you've got a sensitive butt like me, does it matter? Yes, it does matter. Okay, so first of all, you are going to need to use, okay, let me just speak plainly here, and if people are offended, well, just deal with it, because this is a review about toilet paper, so I have to talk about sensitive things. If you were using Angel Soft and you had diarrhea, runny diarrhea, and you would definitely want to use extra Angel Soft in order to protect your fingers from getting the diarrhea on them, from the liquid, that is. Whereas with the Meijer brand, this one, you wouldn't have to use nearly as much toilet paper to achieve the same protection from the liquid in the diarrhea. In addition, I have used this product And unlike Angel Soft and some of the other brands that I like to use, Meijer brand doesn't tend to tear under the stress of wiping my butt. And you're like, how could toilet paper? Look, I've been around for 55 and a half years. I've used a lot of different toilet papers, and there are a lot of them out there that tear while you're using them. Gaps open up, and then you get poop on your hands, and it's disgusting. Okay, so I never buy a one ply. If I had to use a one ply, I would like get a big strand of big length of it, and then I'd fold it and fold it and fold it, so it was nice and thick, like it was like a 2-ply or a 3-ply. But this stuff does not tend to develop tears in it that allows your hands to come into contact with your poop. So this is a very good brand. In fact, of the brands that I am reviewing, this is, and much to my surprise, I didn't expect this, this is much better than most of the other brands. I would give this a 9. Now, I'm not reviewing the Aldi brand because I just don't want to waste my money on buying it again, but I would rather have Angel Soft than the Aldi brand. This brand is a 9, yeah. This is one of the top brands as far as I'm concerned in terms of absorbency, in terms of durability, in terms of bang for the buck. It's definitely a premium choice, and I would highly recommend this to anyone, whether you have diarrhea or you have a sensitive butt. It doesn't hurt my butt unless my butt is like, really messed up, and in that case, it doesn't matter which toilet paper I use. They're all going to hurt. So, yeah, that's it for me on this particular brand. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.